Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this recent breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, and after that you can see it is breaking out a quite long-term resistance of $10 as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Moonriver that I shared on 27th of September 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Moonriver formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone, and this was the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss as well. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target line here and here as well. And this was almost 15% pump. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Moonriver, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after month of June 2022, when we found the support of this big falling wedge pattern, it was moving inside this wedge. And when the price on was quite squeezed inside this wedge, and we found this resistance. And I was telling you in those days that as soon as the price on breaks out the resistance of this smaller falling wedge pattern that is formed within this bigger falling wedge pattern, then imminently it can also break out the next resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. And you can see that after getting squeezed inside this smaller wedge and testing this long-term support of $3.70, finally we broke out the resistance, and imminently we broke out the next resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And we also broke out this quite long-term resistance of $4.70 as well. That was previously working as a support here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance, and you can see we got rejection here as well. Let me remove this trend line. And here you can see we got rejected. And you can see that after the breakout, we imminently broke out the next resistance of $6 as well. And after breaking out the next resistance of $6, we tested this previous level of resistance as a support and geared up. And now, recently, you can see first we broke out this resistance of $8 that was previously working as a resistance here, support here. And now it is breaking out the next resistance of $10 as well. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that we have completely broken out these two resistance levels. First $8, and now we have broken out the $10 resistance as well. And now it is moving aggressively to hit the target for this falling wedge pattern that I've been telling you for the past several months in my every video. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $22 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.